3 ways to load CSV files into Snowflake. These are simple and reliable methods every data engineer should know, and you can rely on them long term. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Manual upload via web user interface. Let's look at the simplest method, ideal for quick testing. In our Snowflake instance, we need the prerequisites: database and schema created and accessible. We go to Data and click on Add Data. We load the data into a table. Now we only need to bring our CSV onto the canvas. We select the database and give a name for our table. We validate the mapping next, and we load the data. Method 2. Using SnowSQL. Let's use SnowSQL Snowflake CLI. This is useful when you want to script or automate uploads. The prerequisite for this method is to have SnowSQL installed and accessible through CMD. The downside is that it needs setup and authentication. We are going to use the database that we created earlier, and we also need to create the table which we are going to fill. We are going to create a stage which is the definition of the location where data files are stored, or stage for loading and unloading data. Now we copy the data into our new table from the stage. And we can select to see the result. Method 3. Using Python and Snowflake Connector. Finally, here's the Pythonic way using the Snowflake Connector Python library. Perfect for integrating with pipelines and reading environment variables securely. It is secure, scalable, and ideal for integration, but also requires setup and has dependencies. We'll use pandas to create data into a data frame, and Snowflake Connector to create a connection to Snowflake. We can store the credentials into environment variables. We'll first execute the create table statement, and then we'll read the data row by row into the newly created table. When the process finished, a statement will be printed on the screen. So these were 3 reliable ways to load CSV data into Snowflake. Choose what fits your use case: UI for quick uploads, CLI for scripting, or Python for automation. Now you know.